Hello, my name is Rocky and I'm a traveler. I've been a traveler all my life and I've done it professionally for the last 20 years. So here are my 5 tips on how to make the most of your holiday. Number 1, get on to Trivago. It's a great place. You have hundreds of apps that are compared by Trivago and the best options are given to you. The incredible part is that you can actually choose a hotel of your choice depending on city, location, hotel name, and you can do things like look at the ratings, look at the prices. So everything is in your control. Whether it's a last-minute trip or if it's a well-planned holiday, Trivago makes it a lot more convenient without having the irritation of switching to several sites to plan the same thing. So these are very important points and it'll make your bookings really convenient. Now, in my experience, here's what happens. If you want to visit a place during high season, I suggest you book well before time so that you get the best rates. However, if you're going somewhere in low season or to a situation where, let's say, people are not traveling to that area for some reason or the other, then last minute deals are usually the best, in my experience. So keep that in mind when you're booking. And this is about food, very close to my heart. So here's the thing. Find a blogger or somebody who tells you more about food and whose taste you agree with, because that doesn't happen. Taste is a subjective thing. You may like somebody's advice and you may not like somebody else's. I, for example, have been doing this for 20 years. You'll be able to find me all over the country, pretty much to wherever you decide to go, almost. And once you're there, if you like my recommendations, you can pick me and understand that if I've suggested something, you'll probably like it as well. But go with whoever you like. Follow their recommendations. Makes it a lot easier to plan your meals without having to get on ground and ask around. Makan is done, roti is done, now it's time for kapda. Always check the 15-day weather forecast of whichever city or area you're going to and accordingly plan your clothes. So if you're heading out in the summer to a warm place, just pack for the weather. And very importantly, always carry a really lightweight jacket because you might need it on the plane, on a train, or an automobile, or anywhere else in the evenings. That is an important one to remember. Stay hydrated. Now this is really important. I always carry a bottle of water with me wherever I go. And keep drinking, otherwise you lose a lot of energy. It won't be so much fun on a holiday if you don't have enough energy to go and do the things that you plan to do. And of course, eat the local food. Very important you eat at meal times, whatever your body is used to. So if you're a breakfast at 9, lunch at 1, dinner at 8 kind of person, do that. Try not to change it. That really helps your body get the rhythm and you'll have a lot more fun. Remember, control is an illusion. Don't nitpick. Don't want everything to be perfect. Don't want things to go exactly your way, when you want, how you want, where you want, when you're on holiday. You might have that set up at home, but when you're on holiday, go with the flow. If things change, adapt a little bit. If things get harder, relax, unwind, enjoy yourself, smile a little more. That's what makes a really good getaway. So I hope these 5 tips have helped you. This is a broad overview. If you want more specific tips, like carry a hairbrush, wear cool glasses, look cute while doing it all, that I'll tell you next time. Ciao.